Yay! This is me. I'm cooking Spam in the bathroom.
Yay!
Yay! Spam in the bathroom.
Honey, can I take a dump?
No, get out of here. This is like you know, Spam in the bathroom. Let's see. Yay! See, we can turn this Spam over. Woo! It's not quite done yet, but hey, we'll make it look like it's done.
Why don't you film the Spam then, not the light?
Oh, shut up. Sorry. Yeah, and then I'll take you outside and film some of that too. But I won't like go actually outside. I'll just film out the window. But yeah, the power's out. Oh yeah, and the cell phones are out. I did find the landline.
We only have telephones for this area.
Yes, I'm cooking in non-stick with a fork. Yay! And look, oh, there's the Spam that I've already cooked. And there you go. Yay! I'm cooking Spam in the bathroom. See, there's ventilation. See, see, I'm ventilated. I did set the smoke alarm off once, but that's okay. Be all right. But
I accidentally dropped a piece.
Oh, for the dog?
He accidentally got one.
Yeah, well, don't do that again.
I was biting it and it bit off in my hand.
So, anyway, yeah, look, see. Whoa, cooking with propane in the bathroom. Cooking with propane in the bathroom.
Cooking with gas.
But yeah, anyway, we have no power. We do have water, but we have no cell phones because the towers have blown down. I'll take the camera out to the backyard in a minute and show you the fact that we have no fence. The neighbors also lost their fence too, which kind of doesn't make me gloat, but at least, you know, my expensive fence also buckled under the, you know, their crappy fence buckled, so. Oh, and then Amy's neighbors, they have a cyclone fence and theirs fell down. There's a tree blocking the street. Apparently, like, we're on national news or something because...
If we could see, we'd be on national news.
Yeah, if we could see, we'd be on national news, but everybody else will just have to watch for us and tell us later. Anyway, I'm going to turn this off now, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Okay, see you, bye.
Bye.